Hello, this is Mr. Wolf. I'm going to take a couple of moments and walk you through the steps of how to sign up for Webassign. It's pretty straightforward, and just kind of go through a couple of little basic steps. So, first things, you're going to want to go to webassign.net. It's right here. You can see it up on the top of the screen. Let me just make this like right here in the center. Now, when you return back here, you'll fill in your username, your institution, and password and all that later on. But first, right now, we're going to click on something called I have a class key. This is set up so that you will sign in directly to my class. So here it's going to come to this page, and you will have this class key. It's actually in the email that you get, and it's brookline.ma, and since I've already typed it in, it's going to show up. And then the numbers that go with it are 4897 and then 3270. This is happens to be for, the class that I have this year. The numbers change every year, but the code, the class key, and the institution name is always brookline.ma. I click submit, and then it's going to say verify class information, and yes, this is my class. My name is Adam Wolf. You're taking AP Physics. We're at Brookline High School. Boom, boom. Got it all set. Yes, this is my class. This is where I'm going to stop walking you through it. The sign up, you can either create a new Webassign account if you don't have one, or if you already have a Webassign account here, it's going to ask you to log in there. Don't worry, everything, it should be set up so that the school will get billed. You do not have to pay anything for this, so it's done through that. Now, with Webassign for AP Physics, here is my template for there, and for example, Webassign number 1 covers chapter 1 in the textbook, which you will be getting. I'm going to send you a PDF as well for that. But here, I always let you have 5 submissions. So if you get to submission number 4 and you get to a point where you're like, oh no, I'm stuck, I can't do it, don't try that 5th submission. Make sure to come in or email me a question before you go on. Webassign, if you've used it before, you will know that it is very interesting. It with significant figures. It does to 1% of the answer. So it depends. And there's a question that goes through that explanation. Hopefully this has been helpful, and you're all set to sign up for Webassign. And I can actually here, let's just open Student View, and it's going to show you, here's the first one. So here's the first problem, and what Webassign does is you see these numbers here in red, it randomizes those for every person, so that way each person's different. But here, question number 1, it is rare, but a few lucky skydivers have survived falls as high as 6 miles, 225 yards without a functional parachute. It means a full parachute. What is the distance to the nearest meter? So what you need to do is convert from miles and yards into meters. Couple multi-step problems here. There's a lot of math review for this first Webassign. As always, please email me if you have any questions. Other than that, have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you in the fall.